Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a simple recipe for chicken teriyaki. Most of the ingredients for this really are store-cupboard ingredients, so it's quite handy, especially at the moment. So the first thing I am going to do is I'm going to get some rice on to go with it, and I'm going to show you a really simple way of getting perfect rice every time. And it is through the cooking method of the absorption way. So what I find for me personally, 1 cup of rice is perfect for 2 of us. And you just want to use 2 parts water to 1 part rice. So I've used 1 cup of rice, so I want 2 cups of water. And we'll get that going. I have 400 grams here of chicken that I've just cut into bite-sized pieces. You can use chicken breast here if you like, but I prefer to use skinless, boneless chicken thighs because they have so much more flavour and are a lot less expensive. So to this, I'm just going to give it a quick marinade. So I want to add 60 mils of dark soy sauce. And when I say a marinade, this is a very brief marinade. I have 2 cloves of garlic here. Just going to press on them to crush them slightly so I can remove their skin. And we'll just mince them in as well. And any bit that gets too small to mince in, just drop in anyways. I have got fresh ginger here, but you can use dry ginger. I'm only using this because I have it in and I don't want it to go to waste. And I can show you the method I use for peeling ginger. And that is just to use the tip of a teaspoon and pull back the skin. This means you lose far less ginger than when you use like a vegetable peeler. That's perfect there. So if you're using dried, just add a teaspoon of dried ginger. Just again get the microplane and mince this in. Let's get this a little stir about so it's all those flavours get in and penetrate everything. So I can set this aside for a moment while I get on with the next step. I have some sesame seeds here. Just going to turn the heat under my wok. And I just want to toast a tablespoon of these in a dry wok. There's no need whatsoever to add any oil to this. These just add a little bit of a warm, toasty flavour and add a little bit of crunch and colour. My sesame seeds have just started to colour, so I can take them off the heat. I'm ready now to get my chicken sizzling. And by the time my chicken's cooked through and is ready to go, my rice will be ready, and that is really dinner. I have 75 grams here just of broccoli florets, and I've just picked these out. These are frozen and I'm adding them. And now I just want them to still retain a little bit of crunch and texture. That's why I've added them towards the end of the cooking time. If you have green beans, they're perfect here. Just cut them into thirds and toss them in just to give a little crunch to the dish and greenness. And I can see my rice is pretty much ready to go. As soon as you can see little air pockets just appear in the rice, you can switch off the heat and leave it to sit in the pan until you're ready to use it. All you need to do is just fluff it up with a fork and you have perfect rice every time. So whilst you're waiting on the chicken and broccoli to finish cooking, you can get on with some of the other ingredients. I've had some scallions in the fridge which I've just sliced diagonally to scatter over as well. Just to counteract all of the sweetness going on here in the pan, I'm just going to add a tablespoon of white vinegar. And to really give it that sticky factor and another boost of flavour, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of orange marmalade. Perfect. And this just needs a couple more minutes now until the sauce is really thick and our chicken is completely cooked through. So time to start plating up. Just fluff my rice up with a fork. I'm ready to spoon over my teriyaki chicken. Sprinkle over some of my sliced scallions, and then a generous sprinkling of those toasted sesame seeds. And that is my chicken teriyaki. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video. Thanks for watching.